Hi.
Hi.
So, I'm Corinne, and this is Eagle.
Right, son.
And we are consultants. We combine our passion for body-mind listening and edible gardening and his love for designing to help you design a space that whether it's in your workspace or in your living space or just in your being space, that
Bean space.
in your being space.
There's space for growing beans?
So we take our passion for gardening and bodies and designing and combine them to help you design a space that's perfect for your own body and mind and that produces food for you. And creates a space of abundance and harmony for your body and your mind, and creating food and energy, infinite abundance of all that. Any other thoughts that we do? Oh, and we do video, so we do consulting and videoing.
Yes. Someday I'll get a drone and help you video stuff.
Right. And also, if you want to interview your parents, or so one of the things I love to do is my mother is listen to her stories and video her stories, so we can also do that for your family too. If you have any family members that you want to hear their stories and have it recorded, we just turn on the camera and get them talking and start listening to them. And mostly what our idea is, my son wanted us to create, Eagle was telling me how he wanted to create a space that was safe for people to learn. And I believe that in order to do that, you want to help teach empathy, but before you can teach empathy and understanding and compassion and patience, you need to be able to do that for yourself. So you listen to your own body and your own mind. And when you learn how to do that for yourself, then you can do that for others, and one by one create this safe space that you want to have for people to learn. And also while doing it, part of creating a safe mind-body oasis is having a garden, that greenery behind you and around you.
Very nice.
Birds singing, stuff
Supposed to
fountain.
be some today.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised there's not any out today. But the idea of making it so that you create that space of where people, you might want to sit back up here, where people feel happy and you feel happy. And also to treat your body and your mind like a garden.
Yeah, interesting philosophy.
Yeah, you see how your thoughts, you can let each thought is a seed, and you can let it grow. And so if you let a negative thought grow, then you become focused and your garden becomes full of negative thoughts. Or you can turn a positive thought and let it grow and feed it with attention and loving. And just like a regular garden, you feed it nutrients, and so you can feed your body nutrients from the garden. Gotta work on the wording of this.
Yeah, so we combine our love of body, mind gardening, of body listening, combine our love of body listening and of edible gardening, and my love of designing and photography, videography, and we help you create a perfect oasis that's healthy for your mind, for your body, and produces food for you and helps you connect to nature and connect to others and yourself. Yes.
And to help you learn how to treat your mind and your body like a garden and help it grow in the most nutritious way.
Nutritious way. Yum yum brains.